it's Jo from the Crypto Sisters. I just wanted to bring you this today because it's quite important. The Davor auto reinvestment tutorial. I'm going to read through this and then I'm going to show you why one of the YouTubers has threatened Davor. And I think really they've got every right to. I don't think most people know how bad this is. So let's read through this first. So this is from Davor itself. Okay, what you should know about the auto reinvestment feature. It's been an amazing week with Davor. We released many new features to help you invest more easily. The auto reinvest feature is one of them. Please remember that the auto reinvestment feature is optional and by default it's turned off. You have to select the checkbox when creating a new lending package to turn it on. And obviously you'll see that when you go into Davor, you have this option. I just want to say now, don't do it. Okay, so moving on. So what happens when you select the auto reinvestment? It's very simple. You don't have to manually collect your daily interest. Always collect your daily interest, guys. Okay, anyway, and repeatedly make reinvestments anymore. Davor does it for you by accumulating your interest once it reaches $10. The system will create a new reinvestment package for you. You will earn the compounding interest without any additional effort. Sounds great, isn't it? Right, you need to make the effort. Do not reinvest. I'll explain later. There are two things worth noting about this impressive feature. Number one, once you confirm the auto reinvestment with your lending package, it cannot be undone. Cannot be undone. Please note this. No matter what, it cannot be undone. Please do not waste your time writing to the support team to ask them to remove it for you. They won't be able to help. Davor will not help you if you turn it on and you've made a mistake and you suddenly realise it was a big mistake. I've said it from the beginning on my last video I did about Davor. I needed to look more into this. I wasn't going to press that reinvest button until I knew more. Thank heavens I didn't. So do not press the auto reinvest button. They will not turn it off for you and the support team will not help. Number two, and breathe. The daily interest of your initial lending package will be kept and reinvested automatically. So when you put your $100 in, that will be the daily interest on that $100 will be reinvested automatically. Okay, we got it. Therefore, you won't see any interest back on your USD wallet from it. So you won't see the interest, it goes straight back in. On the other hand, the daily interest from the auto reinvestments can be collected and converted into DAV anytime. Now, your auto investment will be like $10 if you put $100 in. Your interest from the $10 you can take out. It's not going to be a lot. You're not going to get rich this way. Do not auto reinvest. Okay. If you still need help about auto reinvestment, even though they've already said they're not going to help you about it, feel free to contact the support team. No doubt you'll ask for help and they'll say, sorry, we can't help. So that's the help you're going to get. So happy auto lending. No. Do not auto lend. And breathe. Okay, so I think we get that. Okay, so moving quickly on to why I did this video, you will see that a major YouTuber has threatened them because if you look on all their forums about this auto reinvestment feature, everybody is unhappy. Everybody, including myself, think this is a scam. Do not do it. If you're going with Davor, which has been a good platform, I'm in Davor myself, it's good, but don't reinvest with the auto feature. Use a bit of effort, go in when you want to and take out your interest. I've done a video on this, please look at it. You want to be taking out your interest every day, because within 2 months you'll get your money back that you invested. I mean, we and then after that, then you can do what you want because it's free money. So please look at our other videos. We can show you how we do it. We get our initial investment back within 2 months. We don't care about the capital time. So let's say it's 299 days. Our money will be out way before then. There's a way of doing it, and it's very, very easy to do. We go in, we lend, we get our money out within the 2 months. It's normally around that time. And then anything after that is free money. So please, please watch our other videos. Please do not press the auto reinvest button. Okay, I think you get that. So let's move on to what this YouTuber has threatened. Okay, so Tim T has got a lot of subscribers on YouTube, 119,000. And he has threatened Davor, which I don't blame him really. And if you look through these comments on Medium, every single one by a couple, I mean all of them are saying they should have the option to turn this feature off. And unfortunately Davor is saying no. No, no, no. They are not giving you the option. They are not answering your questions. They are not replying to your customer support tickets. They will not help you with this. If you've turned it on, it's your own fault. So do not turn on that auto reinvestment button. Anyway, so getting back to Tim T. So he said the auto reinvestment feature is a scam. Plain and simple. I actually agree. Davor, you better pick up on your customer service and satisfaction skills before a well-known YouTuber with 119,000 subscribers, such as myself, decides to do a video review on you. I will give you some time to fix the issue, but eventually it is going to cost you more than it will make. So let's just click this because he's saying a bit more, I think. Hold on. Just bear with me. Oh yeah. Bitconnect made it because of clarity, and if you want to be the next Bitconnect, you better turn it up 10 notches. This is total BS. You know what that means, I'm not going to swear. And makes you look dishonest and like a bunch of hacks. Unprofessional. Fix it. Thanks. So I actually agree with him. I absolutely agree with him. And if you go on here and you look at all the comments, everybody is saying the same thing. Now, Davor do not need these big YouTube people coming out and saying they're a scam. I haven't got a lot of followers. I haven't got a lot of subscribers yet. We're quite a new channel, and I'm putting something out there because I think that those that do follow us and that are in our team should know about this. We have not pressed this button, and there was a reason we didn't press it. We had our gut feeling about this, and luckily that's turned out to be right. So for all you people that are going to invest under us into Davor, which is a brilliant platform if you don't press that button, and you're making a lot of money, the interest rates are amazing, so it's well worth going into, but don't press the reinvestment button. Have a bit of self discipline and go in every day and take out your interest. This is how we get our money back. I will put a link to our other video that explains how to do this, because you want to get in and get that money back out as soon as possible. So please go and have a look at this. But look, I've put this up today because I just want to make sure everybody realises, do not press it. I think you get the drift now. So have a great day, and I hope this video helped. If you liked the content, please like and subscribe. We're a new channel and we're trying to build up. So thanks for listening.
Money can't buy happiness, then why is it so fabulous?